How to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Zeta AI chat to replay application. So first of all, you need to install this app, then simply tap here on the open button. So you can see here this is interface, so simply tap here continue with Google. So then you need to create your account through this Google. Then you can see here you need to agree for something, and you have to give your name here, Alex. Next, so you have to give your birth and gender. So I'm just write something. So you can see here sign up complete. So you can see here you need to choose, select your favorite genre, like which type of genre you like. So I'm just going to choose and see recommendation, and so now you can chat. So it's really easy and simple. So you can see, so it's like a other role play chatbot. So you can see here, if you tap here, so you cannot perfection of receiving a replay. So you can see here, okay, so it's lengthy, something lengthy, and you can see here, so switch to private. You can chat profile, it's a profile, you can add your more profile. So you can search here, and you can see there are a lot of character here, so you can enter and chat. You can see, so there are a lot of facilities here like other chatbot you can use. This is chat, and you can create your own chat, and it's your page. You can change, you can buy, you can edit your profile. That's it.